Travel tips give you valuable advice to make your trip stress-free, safe and unforgettable. 1. Preparation is everything. Research your destination, find out about local attractions, culture, cuisine and safety. 2. Check documents, make sure your passport or identity card is valid. Check if you need a visa. 3. Travel insurance. Good travel insurance can be helpful in an emergency. Travel cancellation insurance is also useful in case you have to cancel your trip due to unexpected events. Insurance gives you security and avoids unexpected financial burdens during your trip. 4. Packing list. Weather appropriate clothing. Pack appropriate clothing for the climate of your destination. 5. Essentials, medicines, chargers, hygiene items and copies of important documents. Health precautions. Check whether vaccinations are necessary and take a small first aid kit with you. You should always have some medicine like allergy tablets, fever reducers, headaches, toothache or diarrhea. Valuables. Keep valuables in a safe place and take only what you need. 6. Security safety precautions. Use a money belt or secure bag, and be especially careful in crowds. 7. Budget and finances. Currency exchange. Exchange some money in advance and use local ATMs or exchange offices to minimize fees. Credit cards. Inform your bank about your trip to avoid problems using your card. Or use Revolut or Wise where you can exchange the country's currency directly. 8. Use technology. Offline maps. Download maps and useful apps in advance so you can use them offline. Translation apps. These can be useful if you are in a country whose language you don't speak. 9. Cultural sensitivity. Respect local customs. Find out about cultural practices and respect them. Clothing. Pay attention to dress codes, especially at religious sites or in conservative countries. 10. Food and drink water. Drink water from safe sources. In some countries, tap water is not drinkable. Food. Try local specialties, but be careful with unfamiliar foods to avoid stomach problems. 11. Flexibility. Plan B. Be flexible and open to spontaneous changes in your travel plan. Balance daily planning. Avoid planning too much at once. Sometimes the best experiences can happen unplanned. 12. Traffic and transportation. Public transportation. Find out about the best ways to get around locally. Taxi and ride sharing. Use trusted taxi services or apps like Uber or Lyft when available. 13. Sustainability. Travel in an environmentally friendly way. Try to minimize your carbon footprint by traveling in an environmentally conscious way. 14. Communication. Local SIM card. Consider purchasing a local SIM card or using an international roaming plan such as an eSIM to communicate cost-effectively. Emergency contacts. Save important phone numbers such as your embassy, local emergency numbers, and contacts of friends or family. 15. Time management. Allow buffer time. Allow enough time for transfers, waiting times and possible delays to avoid stress. A balanced schedule leaves room for spontaneous discoveries and relaxation. 16. Emergency money. Keep some money as a reserve for a return flight or other things. So go out, explore, and make your trip unforgettable. Until the next adventure. I hope some of these tips will help you on your next vacation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.